Ever wondered how to make $1 million in a year? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Well, ponder no more. We're about to embark on a thrilling journey, exploring 10 realistic strategies to achieve this financial milestone, from leveraging freelance powerhouses to diving into the digital goldmine of SEO, from entrepreneurial ventures to tech investments and much more. So buckle up, my friend. You're about to enter a world where dreams meet reality. Get ready to delve into 10 realistic ways to earn $1 million in a year. First off, consider freelancing. Imagine yourself as a powerhouse of creativity, using your technical skills and artistic flair to meet the needs of clients worldwide. Freelancing is not just about doing what you love. It's about transforming your passion into a lucrative business. Think about it. High-demand fields like design and engineering are teeming with opportunities. Companies, big and small, are outsourcing projects to freelancers, giving you the chance to tap into a global market. It's like having an all-you-can-eat buffet of projects right at your fingertips. But the best part, you're in control. You decide when to work, where to work, and who to work with. You set your rates. Just picture this. You're sipping on a cup of coffee in your favorite corner of the house, working on a project that excites you and earning big bucks. No rigid schedules, no grumpy bosses. Now, don't get me wrong. Freelancing comes with its challenges. You need to market your services, build a solid reputation, and maintain a steady flow of projects. But with the right skills, a killer portfolio, and a network of loyal clients, you can overcome these hurdles. So, are you ready to take the leap? With the right skills and clientele, freelancing can be your million-dollar ticket. Next up, we have the world of SEO. Now, what's SEO, you might ask? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. In simpler terms, it's the art and science of making your website or content visible and attractive to search engines such as Google. Why is this important in the digital world? Picture the internet as a vast ocean and your website as a tiny boat without a lighthouse. It's nearly impossible for your boat to be found. SEO is that lighthouse. It helps your boat stand out among the billions out there in the digital ocean. And how does mastering SEO lead to high earnings? Well, imagine your website on the first page of Google search results. The traffic you get is immense. And with high traffic comes high revenue, especially if you're selling products, services, or even just running ads. But here's the kicker. SEO isn't a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process. It's like mining for gold. You don't stop when you find the first nugget, do you? You keep digging, refining your techniques, staying ahead of the game. Because in this digital age, SEO is the new gold rush. Mastering SEO can turn the internet into your very own gold mine. Now let's talk about starting your own business. Imagine this. You're the captain of your own ship, steering through the vast sea of the market, driven by a unique idea. This, my friends, is the essence of entrepreneurship. But what makes a business truly successful? It's not just about having a brilliant idea, but also about the execution. It's about finding a unique solution to a problem, and then marketing that solution in a way that resonates with people. Remember, a business is more than just a means to make money. It's a platform where you can create value, solve problems, and ultimately make a difference. Now let's talk numbers. A successful business has the potential for high returns. And yes, that includes hitting the coveted $1 million mark. It's not easy, and it doesn't happen overnight. But that's where the entrepreneurial spirit comes in. It's about grit, determination, and the willingness to take calculated risks. So, whether you're dreaming of launching a tech startup, opening a quirky coffee shop, or creating an innovative product, remember this. Business ownership has the potential to be a lucrative venture, but it requires more than just a good idea. It requires passion, hard work, and most importantly, an entrepreneurial spirit. Running a successful business could be your pathway to the $1 million mark. Ever thought about investing in technology? It's like planting seeds in the fertile ground of innovation, where the potential for growth is immense. Consider tech startups, for instance. These are companies that are in the early stages of their life cycle, teeming with fresh ideas and disruptive potential. They could be the next big thing, or they could fizzle out. It's a bit of a gamble, but that's where the thrill lies. Then there's the world of cryptocurrencies. Ever heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum? These digital currencies have exploded in popularity, and their values have soared. Investing in them could yield huge returns, or it could lead to losses. It's a volatile market, but one that's been quite lucrative for some. But remember, with all investments, there's risk involved. You could lose your investment, or it could multiply. It's crucial to do your research, understand the market, and be ready to ride the waves of uncertainty. But if you play your cards right, the rewards could be out of this world. Tech investing can be risky, but the returns can be astronomical. Sometimes you have to take a gamble. High stakes, high rewards. That's the game of betting on opportunities. It's like wandering through a forest and suddenly stumbling upon a treasure chest. But remember, this isn't about reckless risks. It's about calculated decisions. It's about seeing potential where others might not. Imagine real estate, for instance. One man's rundown property could be your gold mine. It's about spotting that diamond in the rough, investing time and resources, and transforming it into a lucrative venture. Or consider stocks. It's about analyzing market trends, following company progress, and making informed decisions on where to place your bets. It's like a game of chess, where strategic moves can lead to a checkmate. In essence, betting on opportunities is about having an eye for potential, an appetite for risk, and the courage to jump in when you spot a promising venture. It's about being that daring explorer, ready to venture into uncharted territories in search of fortune. Betting on opportunities can be a game of high stakes, but the rewards can be just as high. Have you ever considered selling on Amazon? This isn't your everyday garage sale we're talking about. This is the world's largest online marketplace, a behemoth that never sleeps. Imagine having a store that's open 24/7 with customers from all corners of the globe. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? Now let's talk about the potential. With over 200 million unique visitors every month, even a tiny slice of that pie could lead to serious dough. And we're not just talking about selling old books or unused gadgets. From handmade crafts to cutting-edge tech, Amazon's vast marketplace can be a launchpad for your products. But like every good thing, it comes with its challenges. Competition is fierce, and standing out requires more than just a good product. It's about understanding the marketplace, finding the right niche, and tailoring a strategy that works for you. It's about taking calculated risks, learning from mistakes, and constantly adapting. So if you've got a product to sell, or an idea to turn into a product, why not give Amazon a shot? Remember, every journey of $1 million starts with a single step, or in this case, a single product listing. With the right products and strategy, Amazon can be your $1 million platform. Content is king, and it can also make you a millionaire. Now, you might be wondering, how can creating and selling content, whether it's articles, videos, music, or other forms of media, make you a millionaire? The secret lies in the value of the content. In our digital age, content is the currency that drives engagement, builds communities, and ultimately generates revenue. Imagine writing an article that goes viral, or creating a video that becomes a sensation, or composing a piece of music that sets the internet ablaze. There's serious potential for financial gain in creating and selling content that people love and want to consume. But it's not just about creating content, it's about promoting it too. You could have the best content in the world, but if no one knows about it, you're not going to make a dime. So you've got to put on your marketing hat and get your content out there. Use social media, email newsletters, SEO, and whatever other tools you have at your disposal to get your content in front of as many eyes as possible. Creating and promoting valuable content can be your ticket to the $1 million club. Ever thought about crowdfunding your $1 million idea? Picture this. You have a brilliant concept. It's innovative, it's unique, and you're convinced it's going to change the world. But there's just one hitch. You're short on funds to take this idea from concept to reality. Enter the world of crowdfunding. This isn't just about raising capital. It's about validating your idea in the market. It's like a real-world litmus test. You put your idea out there, and people vote with their wallets. If they love it, they fund it. And if they fund it, you've got yourself a winner. The beauty of crowdfunding is its simplicity. You pitch your idea, set a fundraising goal, and let the magic happen. It could be a game, a gadget, a film, or even a new kind of potato salad. Yes, a potato salad. Once raised over $55,000. But remember, it's not just about the money. It's about building a community around your idea. It's about creating something that people are excited to be a part of. It's about turning your dream into something tangible. So if you're sitting on $1 million idea, why not give crowdfunding a shot? Crowdfunding can turn your $1 million idea into a reality. Sometimes joining the right company at the right time can lead to $1 million payoff. Picture this, a fledgling tech startup, brimming with potential but still finding its footing. You're there, right at the beginning, ready to ride the wave of its success. That's the power of being an early bird. In the corporate world, joining a successful company at its inception is a bit like planting a tiny seed and nurturing it into a towering tree. It requires patience, nurturing, and a dash of foresight. But when that tree bears fruit, oh, the sweet taste of success is worth every bit of effort. You see, companies at their early stages often offer equity or stock options to their employees. This means that as the company grows and flourishes, so does your financial stake. It's a high-risk, high-reward game, but if you strike gold, the payoff can be monumental. So keep your eyes peeled for that next big thing, that up-and-coming startup that sparks a fire in your gut. Because joining the right company at the right time can be a golden opportunity. Finally, consider becoming a sales and marketing guru. The world of sales and marketing is an arena of endless opportunities. It's a battleground where words are your weapons and persuasion is your strategy. It's not just about selling a product or a service. It's about selling a vision, a dream. Imagine this, you're not just selling a cup of coffee, you're selling the start to a perfect morning. You're not just marketing a car, you're marketing an exhilarating journey. This is the power of sales and marketing, and it's a power that can turn dreams into reality. Businesses are always on the hunt for sales and marketing wizards, those who can help them reach their target audience and convert leads into customers. And if you can master this craft, if you can become the guru who can guide businesses to the peak of their potential, then the sky's the limit for your earnings. Remember, every business, whether it's a multi-billion-dollar corporation or a mom-and-pop store, needs effective sales and marketing. And if you can provide that, if you can become the key that unlocks their potential, then $1 million income isn't just a dream, it's a viable reality. Sales and marketing expertise can be your pathway to $1 million income. So there you have it, 10 realistic ways to make $1 million in a year. From leveraging your skills as a freelance powerhouse, to mining the digital goldmine of SEO, harnessing your entrepreneurial spirit, or betting big on tech investments. You could become a sales mogul on Amazon, a content creator, or even a crowdfunding champion. Perhaps you're the early bird at a successful company, or a guru in sales and marketing. Each strategy holds potential, but the key is taking calculated risks and having the right approach. Remember, the path to $1 million starts with a single step. Which step will you take?